So welcome students. In this question you're given that p dash of x is equal to p dash of 1 minus x for all x belongs to 0 to 1. And p of 0 is 1, p of 1 is 41. These are the two informations given. You're asked to find 0 to 1 p of x dx. So first let us analyze this given information. P dash of x is equal to p dash of 1 minus x. So this implies if I integrate both sides by applying dx. So if both the differentiations are same, if I integrate them, p of x is equal to minus of p of 1 minus x. So differentiation of p dash is p of 1 minus x into, you have a minus with x, so you get a minus plus some constant c. Now let us put x is equal to 0. So if you put x is equal to 0, p of 0 is equal to minus of p of 1 plus c. So c is equal to p of 0 plus p of 1. P of 0 plus p of 1, which is 42. So now you have a relation between p of x and p of 1 minus x. That is p of x plus p of 1 minus x is equal to 42. So how can you use this information to find integration? So integration 0 to 1 p of x dx, this is what is asked. So let us say that this is equal to I. So from the properties of definite integral, you can also write this as 0 to 1 p of 1 minus x dx, right? I can put 1 minus x in the place of x. So if I add these two, 2i is equal to integration of 0 to 1 p of x plus p of 1 minus x dx. But p of x plus p of 1 minus x is always equal to 42. That is equal to 42 integration dx is x times 1. This implies I is equal to 21. So option B is the right answer. Thank you.